Fire in the hole, let's cook some pork belly. I can't wait, stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I'm excited today because I've got some pork belly. That stuff is amazing, I'll tell you what. You know, pork belly's like bacon squared. No, it's bacon cubed. Bacon raised to a power of 3. And I've got 3 nice pieces of pork belly, got some nice meat on them. And what I'm going to do is marinate these overnight in a mixture of a cup of brown sugar, because we're going to roast these tomorrow. And I got a cup of Shou Hsing Chinese cooking wine in there. A cup of the old Shou Hsing. Good stuff. Let me tell you what. Shou Hsing cooking wine and a cup of soy sauce. Just regular old low sodium soy sauce, because we're very health conscious here at the Root Boy Cooks all of a sudden. Anyway, a cup of soy sauce, a cup of cooking wine, and a cup of brown sugar. We're going to get that mixed up in my little container here. Get it mixed up, try to get that sugar to melt up a little bit in there, you know what I'm saying. Just going to beat it up a little bit like that. It's not that important. This is a marinade, and we're going to discard this marinade when we're done. We're going to put that pork belly in there, like that. Pork belly, baby. Wait till you see this. This is going to be awesome. We're going to roast this pork belly, just enough to cover the pork belly. See that? That's perfect. Just enough to cover the pork belly. We're going to put that in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow we're going to come back and we're going to roast it. You'll see. Stay tuned. My pork bellies have been well marinated overnight. We're going to get them in the rotisserie basket. I'm going to put them in there with the skin side down to get the maximum effect of the fire on the skin. Try to balance them out a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to be able to perfectly balance them. I'll put this big one in the middle here. Whoops, that one moved over a little bit. You get that like that, and get this one like right there. So like I said, I'm not going to be able to balance them perfectly, but close enough, close enough. We got the counterbalance weight, I'm not too worried about it. Get my little trap door on here and get them pushed down. Let me get them spinning on the fire and I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. My pork bellies are on the rotisserie, spinning around. I'm hoping to get that skin crispy, and then we're going to make a sandwich with these and drink a beer. So you know what I always say? I always say, you just can't beat my spinning meat. And it's true. Look at that stuff going around. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to make a sandwich when these get done. But first we're going to make some Asian slaw to put on our sandwich. So stay tuned. Alright, while my pork belly's getting ready, let's make some Asian slaw to put on the sandwich. What I got here is some supermarket cabbage. You know, you buy at the supermarket. It's got carrots, red cabbage, and white cabbage in it. We're going to throw a couple of tablespoons of lime juice in there. That'll give it a little bit of acidity. Also, some seasoned rice vinegar for a little bit further acidity. That's about all I had left in that jar. And to smooth it all out, we're going to put a little bit of toasted sesame oil on there. Just a sprinkling of toasted sesame oil. And that's my Asian slaw right there. We're just going to take my hands and toss that up a little bit to make that Asian inspired slaw to put on our sandwich. So let me go get the pork belly and the bun, and we'll make this. Oh, that smells great. It smells so good. Wow. Look at that big hunk of stuff there. I don't want that. Yeah, we're gonna make our sandwich with this. Okay, let me get my my hoagie roll out here and my pork belly, and we'll make a sandwich. Stay tuned. All right, I got my hoagie roll out here. Here, I got a piece of that chicharroni. Wait till you hear this. Hope that's coming over on the camera. What I'm going to do is put my pork belly pieces down on my hoagie roll, like that. I move them over a little bit. There's nothing like pork belly, let me tell you what. Get that down there. I'm gonna get some Hou Hsing sauce on there. That's like a Chinese barbecue sauce. Just gonna drizzle a little bit of Hou Hsing sauce on there. How's that look? Then I'm gonna, well, I should have brought a fork. I got some. I got my tongs. I'm gonna take some of that Asian slaw and drop on top of that, like so. And there you go. That's my crispy pork belly sandwich. Let me put the top on that. I can keep it from falling over, which is I'm having a little problem with that. Keep it from falling over. Let me clean my plate up a little bit and get a picture of that, and then I'll get a beer and we'll take a taste, so stay tuned. Here's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show, and here's today's beer, Lagunitas Hop Stupid, one of my favorite ales of all time. It's 8% alcohol by volume. I gotta read the ingredients to you. Here's what's in it. Contains 12 ounces of hops, malt, hops, yeast, hops, water, and hops. So I guess they're trying to tell you this has got a lot of hops in it. Hop Stupid. And that it is, boy. This is one of my favorite beers of all time. I love this beer. I'm so happy when they came out with it in 12-ounce bottles. So let's pour that out. That's a beautiful IPA, Hop Stupid. Let's get that in the glass without spilling it. I managed to get most of it in the glass, although it was very foamy. For some reason, we're going to have to wait a minute and let that foam settle down. It's very foamy. Hop Stupid. That's a very hop-forward IPA. Lagunitas Brewing Company. 8% alcohol. It's a lot of alcohol. But I don't think you can taste the alcohol in it. Hey, I don't know where Lasse has been. He hasn't been around and I can't find him, so here's to you, Lasse. Let's sniff the sniff off of it. Wow, it smells great. I knew it would. It's a wonderful, excellent IPA. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lasse. If you're listening, if you're there, got quite a lot of froth on it. Wow. I'll put that up against any IPA, anytime, anywhere. Pliny the Elder, you can eat your heart out. That is excellent. Hop Stupid. You got to check that out. If you get a chance to get some Hop Stupid, and if you get a chance to get some pork belly in your mouth, I highly recommend it. Let me get my pork belly sandwich over here. Put the squeeze on it. Take a taste of that crispy pork belly sandwich. Wow. That's beyond the pale. Let me tell you what. Look at that sandwich. Sorry, I'm trying to chew. That pork belly with that crispy skin on it, it's like eating bacon with a spoon. Huh, that's delicious. Hey. Wow. That's my video, babies. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, I had a guy in mind I was going to send you to. And he's completely I completely forgot the name of his channel. But I'll put an iCard up there. And some lucky YouTuber who's just starting out will be in the iCard. So go see them. Get yourself some pork belly. If you've never had pork belly, it's awesome. Sorry. Make this sandwich for yourself. You'll love it. I guarantee it. What's going on here? Our lighting's messing up on me. I don't know why. Anyway, babies, let me move this away from here. Yeah, there you go. Anyway, come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but you really can't beat pork belly. And I will have another Weight Watcher friendly recipe for you in the near future. Not next week, but maybe the week after. So there you go. And no matter what, we will drink a beer. You got that going for you. There you go. Bye.